Hello students, welcome back. Let us take a look at a solved example on page 235 related to volume of spheres and hemispheres. This is solved example number 18. So it states that a short-put metallic sphere has radius 4.9 centimeters and density 7.8 grams per centimeter cube. We need to find the mass of the metallic sphere. So you must be wondering that we have learnt about the volume, then how can we find the mass? We know that the formula density is equal to mass upon volume, right? So what we can do is we can find the volume, we've been given the density, we can obviously find the mass. So let's proceed first by finding the volume of sphere, which is 4/3 pi r cube. So I'll say volume of sphere is equal to 4/3 pi r cube, which is equal to 4/3 into 22/7 into r cube, which is 4.9 into 4.9 into 4.9. So 7 ones are 7, 7.7s are 49. So you have 88. Now 49 into 49 into 7, 49 into 49 into 7 upon 3 into 1 decimal place, so 10. 1 decimal place, so 10, and another decimal place, so 10, right? Now let's calculate. First I'm going to do 88 into 7. So 88 into 7 is 7 8s are 56, 7 8s are 56, 56 plus 5 is going to be 61, right? Let's check. 88 into 7. 756 plus 5, 616. Okay, so you have 616 and you're left with 49 into 49. So let's calculate 49 into 49 as 49 into 50 minus 1. This will give me 0. 5 9s are 45, 5 4s are 20, plus 4 is 24 minus 49, right? So 49 0 4 2401. Okay, so 2401 into 616. Six ones are 6, 6 zeros are 0, 6 fours are 24, 6 twos are 12, 13, 14. Then 2401 and again 60441. So you get 6 1 0 9 4 5 6 7 4 1. So you get, this is upon 3 into 1000. So this is 1479016 divided by 3 into 1000. So let's check. 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 0 0, 3 5s are 15, then 6 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9 upon 1000. So you have 493,005.33 divided by 1000. Now in order to get rid of these 3 zeros in the denominator, we are going to shift towards the left in the numerator by 3 decimal places. So this is 1, 2 and 3. So this is 493.00533. So now you have 2 zeros out here and 5. So what I'm going to do is, this is approximately equal to 493 centimeter cube, right? So this is the volume of sphere. Now having found the volume, we are going to find the mass using the formula density, or rather let's write it. I'll say we know that mass is equal to density into volume. So substituting the value for density, it is 7.8. So 7.8 grams per centimeter cube into volume. Volume is 493. centimeter cubes, right? Now per centimeter cubes means this is grams upon centimeter cubes. So if see here the units are very important. So this centimeter cube cancels out with this centimeter cubes. Okay, so you get 7.8 into 493, which is 78 upon 10 into 493. So let's multiply 493 into 10, or rather, yeah, so we'll do 493 into 70 plus 8 divide by 10, right? And this will be in grams. So G, so that you don't confuse it with a 9. So 493 into 7, 7 3s are 21, 7 9s are 63 plus 1, 64, 7 4s are 28. Let's just do this, 493 into 7, 7 3s are 21, 7 9s are 63, 63 plus 2, 65, 7 4s are 28, 28 plus 6 is 34. So 34510 plus, now 493 into 8. 8 3s are 24, 8 9s are 72 plus 2, 74, 8 4s are 32, 32 plus 7, 39. So 3944 divide by 10 grams. Let's add the two numbers. I have 34510 plus 3944. So 45483. This is equal to 38454 divided by 10. So now in order to get rid of this decimal place, I am going to shift towards the left by one decimal place in the numerator. So this is going to be equal to 3845.4 grams. So now these many grams don't really look good. So what I am going to do is convert the grams into kilograms. We know that 1 kilogram is 1000 grams. So in order to make this kilograms, I am going to shift towards the left by 3 decimal places. So this is going to be approximately equal to 3.8 kilograms. Okay, this is your mass. So you can keep the mass as grams or kilograms, and this was also grams. Please take a look at the solution, and we can write the answer here as well. 3.8 kilograms or 3845.4 grams. Thank you for watching this video.
Hope this video increased your knowledge. For more such videos and a completely free educational content, log on to www.epathshala.org or visit our ePathshala YouTube channel. We have each and every question solved for maths, physics, chemistry and biology. So subscribe our channel, share with your friends, like our Facebook page and follow our Twitter handle for regular updates and important educational tips, and also win ePathshala goodies. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe this channel and enjoy the freedom of education.